Okay, this is the video for the roots station. What you're going to need is a paper plate, and we're going to, this is the side you would eat on. You're going to turn it upside down, and we are going to draw the roots system of a plant, and then attach your stem to the root system. So you should have read the reading, you should have taken notes, and now you're going to color with some root colored colors, and then also make some notes on your paper plate from your, or make some notations on your paper plate from your notes. All right, so roots are just a network of tissues that go throughout the ground looking for things, and the number one thing that they want really is water, but they also need minerals as well. So roots, they can really spread out. Like if you ever look at a whole tree, and by a whole tree I mean like you look at the top, the trunk, and then the tree, the roots, the root system looks very large, just like the top part of the tree, because trees are large, and so they need a lot of nutrients. Okay, now there's different kinds of roots. There's tap roots, which are things like trees have tap roots. They have one big root that goes down and little roots that come off the sides. Carrots are a tap root that we actually eat. We are just going to be doing this simple roots here. So you're just going to draw a big network of roots. Roots everywhere. Mostly they're brown colored or white even. If you go look at the garlic in Miss DeLuca's classroom on the windowsill, you can see the roots. And the roots are very white colored. They're very long and kind of stringy, like spaghetti or hair. They really attach to dirt. So if you try to pull roots up out of the ground, it is possible that you are not pulling them all up because they're stuck in the dirt, which is bad if you're trying to get rid of something, because if you even leave one live root left behind, you can get a whole new plant growing again. And you're like, I thought I was getting rid of that plant. And that plant's like, nope, still here because you left some of my roots behind. All right, so there we have a system of roots, okay? Again, I can't stress the importance of roots. You don't think about them a lot because you don't see them, but if you have bad roots, you're gonna have a bad rest of the plant, because plants are extremely dependent on the roots. I'm also going to take a turquoise surf marker for some water, and I'm just gonna draw some water droplets because plants really like water, and they're trying to grow towards a water source. They can sense water pockets under the ground, and they will grow towards the water, which is called hydrotropism, because it's a response to water, and hydro stands for water. Okay, so I have my water molecules, and then something else that plants need are minerals. So I'm going to take my gray for minerals, and I'm going to draw, so here I'm going to make some K's for potassium, because plants need potassium. Gonna make some N's for nitrogen because plants need nitrogen. I'll draw some CA's for calcium. Calcium is also very important to plants. There's many other nutrients that they need to get out of the ground, but those are the three that I'll list for now. Okay, so you have your roots. Now what you're going to do is you can use tape or you can use hot glue. You know how I'm a fan of hot glue, so that's probably what I'm going to do. And you're going to tape your stem to your roots, because now they're going to be connected. Your xylem and your phloem actually go down into the roots. Roots need phloem for energy to grow, and xylem sucks up the water through the roots to the rest of the plant. So if you want to tape it down, just take a piece of tape and tape it like that. Or if you're like me and you want to hot glue, you can just hot glue the bottom here and then set it down, hold it till it's a little bit dryish. You don't need to tape down the ones that you have notes on. Okay. Tape down this one. There we go. So now you have a shoot system. You have a stem, you have a leaf, you have roots for your plants, and you can see the xylem and the phloem go down into the roots. The xylem and phloem also come up through the stem, and then on the top is where you would attach your flower, which I will show you in a different video.